months in a year. Children, are you celebrating your birthday? We know that our birthday held in which month? Right? We know about these months from the calendar. Now let's study the English months and the days in it. According to English calendar, the year begins or starts with January month. Let's do a chart for counting months and their dates. January, 31 days. February, 28 or 29 days. March, 31 days. April, 30 days. May, 31 days. June, 30 days. July, 31 days. August, 31 days. September, 30 days. October, 31 days. November, 30 days. December, 31 days. Like this, total 12 months are there. Let's get some more information from that chart. Name the months that have 30 days. April, June, September and November. Months of 31 days are there in the whole calendar. January, March, May, July, August, October, December. 28 days has February, and after every 4 years, that 4th year February month has 29 days. That year called leap year. May month comes after June. December is the month before January. Like English months and their calendar, it's like your Marathi months. Then let's learn name of Marathi months in orderly. Chaitra, Vaishakh, Jyeshtha, Ashadh, Shravan, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartik, Margashirsha, Paush, Magh, Falgun. Total 12 Marathi months are there. Now, look at the following months of English calendar. There is a month of December. Let's see now what date this month is. Picnic or forest lunch on date 7th December. Sports on 12th December and sports on 13th December also. Drawing competition on 20th of December. Christmas festival on 25th of December. Like this, do your month's calendar yourself. What do they do on that date, or write or note down what's in it? Lesson